Welcome my friends to our channel. So today we are going to deal with how to make this cap by using software. Remember, first you have to subscribe to our channel to get more videos. Friends, let's start. So file new, part, okay. So go to features, choose involved pose base, choose front plane, okay. Choose centerline, start from origin, okay. Choose another centerline, start from this origin, okay. Choose smart dimension, give this side 200 mm, okay. Choose this side again, give to 100 mm, okay. Give this line 50 mm, okay. So go to spline, choose spline, start from this point, okay. So by clicking this spline, you see have flash that can be used to stretch your line like this according to the shape you want, okay. So go to center line, start from this point, okay. Choose another center line, start from this point, okay. So make this, define this angle, go to smart dimension, choose, and this angle give it 40 degree, okay. So select this line, press Ctrl, select this line, make them tangent, okay, good. So choose center line, start from this point, okay. Select this center line and control this spline line, make them tangent, okay, good. So choose line, start from this point up to this one, okay. So go to offset entities, choose offset entities, select this line, okay. You see how it becomes, okay. Choose line, start from this point up to this one, okay. Choose trim entities to cut this side, okay. So now you see the sketch, it is good, okay. So exit sketch, so then you see the axis of revolution is this one, the angle of axis of revolution is 360. So click this axis of revolution, you see. So go to selected contour, choose this one, okay. So this is okay. So you see now cap is created. So now you can add some fillet, choose this line, go to fillet radius, 10 radius is enough, okay. You see how it becomes good. So isometric, okay. Choose front plane number 2, go to sketch, choose 3-point arc, start from this line, okay, okay. So now you can stretch like this. Okay, choose another 3-point arc, start from this point up to this one. Okay, so you can now manage. So define this, go to smart dimension, define this one up to this one, give it 15. Okay, okay, so choose this one, press Ctrl, this one, make them tangent. Okay, so go to smart dimension, choose this point and this one, give it 55. Okay, okay, so now you can rotate, see what you have done. So good. So exit sketch, good. So go to features, reference geometry, choose plane. So use top plane and select this point. Okay, okay, so choose this plane, sketch. So go to sketch, choose circle, start from this point. Okay, okay, go to smart dimension, define this circle, give it 25 diameter. Okay, okay, good. So now you can now exit sketch, then go to features, swept boss base. Okay, choose this one and make it to both sides. Okay, so now you can change dimension of your circle. You can change the dimension of your circle by adding a handle, cap handle, give it 20 diameter. Okay, so now exit sketch, go to features, swift boss base. Okay, so choose circular profile, choose this one. Okay, nice. So okay, so now you can hide this plane, select plane, then hide plane. So you can hide this circle, circle. Good. So friends, you see how your cap is being created. So then now you can add appearance. Go to appearance, choose plastic. You can add plastic according to your needs, high gloss, medium gloss, soft gloss. So I choose high gloss. You can choose use, no problem. So like this one. Okay, so go to okay, so now you can choose according to your needs. Okay, so okay, can choose use, no problem. So you see, my friends, how cap is created easily. So you can choose use, no problem. So friends, this is how you can design a cap by using Solidworks software. I hope as usual you have enjoyed this design. So subscribe to your channel to get more videos, and I hope you will be enjoy. So any question, comment is allowed to get more knowledge about Solidworks software. Thank you for today. See you next time. Thank you.